Hi friends, in this video I will show you, Sexy Backless Red Mermaid Lace Evening Dress 2017. This is robe de soirée long sexy backless long cheap appliques evening gowns vestido de festa. Item specifics. Brand name, pOm linen dress. Occasion, formal evening. Item type, evening dresses. Sleeve length cm, full. Built-in bra, yes. Actual images, yes. Train, sweep train. Sleeve style, regular. Material, polyester, satin. Decoration, embroidery, lace, appliques. Fashion element, illusion. Model number, CPS 404. Dresses length, floor length. Fabric type, chiffon. Neckline, O-neck. Waistline, natural. Height, 1. Stand straight with feet together. 2. Measure in bare feet. 3. Begin at the top of the head and pull tape straight down to the floor. Waist, find the natural waist. This is the smallest part of the waist, usually about 1 inch above belly button. 2. Keep the tape slightly loose to allow for breathing room. Hips, 1. Thin the widest part of the hips including butt. 2. Tape shoulder brush across both hip bones. Shoulder to shoulder, now from the edge of that shoulder socket measure all the way over to the same point of the other shoulder along the back. Armhole, this measure gives me the of the sleeve hole that you are comfortable wearing. Arm length, shoulder point to wrist arm bend. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like, comment and share.